introduction about the formulas definition you must know on this chapter. Then we can go to the exercise. Okay, so first we learn about what is matrices. Matrices is nothing but is an ordered, is an ordered rectangular array of numbers or function. Is it clear what is matrices? Matrices is an ordered rectangular array of number or functions. See here, no one says what is matrices, right? They go on to the formulas and the exercise. Okay, so matrices is nothing but is an ordered rectangular array of number or function. What does the array here? If any computer students are there, they know in this program they use array element where it is represented in this way. So in matrix also we represent in this way, and inside this we write the numbers. So whatever this is the representations of array. The numbers inside we write inside the rectangular box, we say it as elements in this. Okay, and this is just a understanding, this is not a definition, this you must understand. Whatever we write the numbers inside the rectangular box is the elements of matrices. Okay, is it clear? Okay, then we will learn about the order of matrices. Order of matrices. In this, what is this order of matrices to know? This is an element, so this is, I told, it is represented in a square bracket. So in this is a11 a1 b a2 a11 a12 a13 and a14. Okay, so it is represented in general term this way. This is the general representation where a1 a2 a3 a4 you can write, or a11 a12 a13 a14 you can write. What does this mean? I will tell you. Order of matrix is nothing but this. What does m mean? M is nothing but row, and n means what? It is a column. So here we have how many rows? This is row 1 and this is row 2. This is column 1 and this is column 2. Yes, so what is the order of matrices means? Order of matrices is nothing but you should tell in exam m into n. What is this particular? They will give you the matrices. You should tell what is the order of means m into n means how much rows and column are there, you need to tell. So here we having how much? 1 and 2 rows and 2 columns. So you need not to calculate 2 and 2 and 4, you should not write. This is nothing but 2 into 2 means 2 rows and 2 columns. This it means 2 rows having 2 column it having. This is the order of matrices. Is it clear? So next we will learn about the types of matrix. Before this, order of matrices is clear. So here if they ask you the elements of matrices, then this having, when you calculate 2 into 2, what you write the answer will be the elements of matrices. Is it clear? So the a11 a12 a13 and a14 are the elements. And what does this a11 a12 means? One is row into column, we told m into n. This is just representation. A1 means first row first column, first row second column. Okay, here it is second row first column and second row second column. This is clear to you? Okay, so the elements of matrices is 4. So if I take you an example and write 4 5 6 7, so what is the order of the matrix? Okay, I will write one more, 1 3. So here we are having how much rows? 2 rows having C1, C2, C3. 3 columns. 4, 5, 1 is 3 columns. 4, 6, 1 is 2 row. This the order of the matrix is 2 and 2 into 3. How many elements you have? 6. If you don't know how to find, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. By this only we will get the answer. But this is the operation we use here. Okay, so this is how to find the order of matrices and elements of the matrices present. So today I will only tell about the order of the matrices to find and the elements of the matrices. We will take some more example. So if I take 1 2 3 and 4 5 6, this is what is the uh, order of this matrix. Only this matrix. This is the first question, this is the second question. So this is having how much column? Only one column, and having a 3 rows. Okay, so it will be 3 into 1, and for this it will be 1 into 3. Why? See, 1 2 and this is 3 4, this is in column, but if I go in a row I have only one. I can't go again because there is no element in this. So only one row and 3 column. In this condition we having 3 rows and only one column. This is clear. How to find um, the elements of that matrices and order of the matrices. Is it clear? When you multiply whatever you get the answer, what is that? It is nothing but number of elements present in that matrices. Okay, but whatever is there in present in that is nothing but order of matrices. Is it clear to you? Okay, so next, if you want, I will solve more. See that you should clear the how to find order of matrices and elements of matrices. So if I take here 4 5 6 7 and 1 2 3 4, so what will be the order of matrices? It will be, see, 2 cross 4. How? Having r1 and r2, how much? 2 rows, 1 2 3 4, 4 columns. So this is 2 into 4. How many elements? You have 8 elements. How many order of the matrix is 2 into 4. Okay, if I go with this 3 5 6 7 4 8, what is the order of matrix? This is, see, 1 2 3, there is 3 rows and C1 C2 2 columns. So this is 3 into 2 is order of matrices. And how many elements you have? 3 2s are 6. This is clear to you. I hope you understand what is matrices. Is nothing but ordered rectangular array number or function. It is represented in the square bracket, and whatever inside we write in the matrices elements of the matrices, and order of the matrices we find is the row into column. Is it clear? So the A11 A12 21 is the representation of, we will next week on how I written A11 A12, that is representation or naming of matrices. See, if I take an element A B C D, so we need to write at what place A has, B has, C has, D has. So this is the first row and first column, so it become 1 and 1. This is having first row only, second column, this is 1 2. This is having first element in the second row, this is 2, and this will be 1, this will be 2 and 2. Why? Second row, second column, you can see here, this is having a second row, second row, first column, this is having second row, second column, this you can see. This is how we write name, how we represent the elements in the matrices. How to naming is clear, and how what is the order of the matrices we know, 2 into 2, and how many elements we having also 4 we know. Is it clear? There are a lot of formulas will be there, and this is how you name. Now if I take A B E F H I, any elements I am taking, and 1 2 3, these are the elements present in the matrices. Now how I will name it? The naming will be this, having a first row, first column. This is first row only. For always write first row and column. What is the order of matrices? Say m into n. First comes row after column. So first row you to count and then column. So first row, first column, first row, second column, and first row, third column. This is clear. A11 we write, B12 we write, E13 write, because first row, first column, first row, first row, second column, first row, third column. Next F is the, this is what, second row, first column, second row, second column, and second row third column. This is 3 1 1 3 2 2 3 3 3 3 2 3 3. Okay, next, what is the order of matrix? This is 3 cross 3 because having 3 rows and 3 elements, and number of elements will be 3 3 is 9. Is it clear? If it is having this way and having a number A B C, what you will be write the naming? See, this is first row, first column. This next will come what? Second row, but also in first column, and this is third row in first column. Okay, this, and what is the order of this matrices? Having 3 rows and only 1 column. This is the order of the matrices which having only 3 elements. Okay, so if I go with this here, 4 5 and 6, so having how many column and how many rows? Having only 1 row and 3 column. Why? Because I can form in this way, but I can't go here. No elements are there. In this I can write 3 rows, we have only 1 columns we have. Is it clear? And what we will write? 4 1 1 we can write 4 1 2 4 1 3. This is how you write. Is it clear? So this you have learned today's class about the matrices. Okay, and then we learned introduction, representations, elements, order of matrices, elements of the matrices, and representing or writing of the matrices. Is it clear? With an examples. I hope you understand this class of introductions of the matrices. Thank you.